Hello kids, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to learn ABCD. Colors name: green color, neon color, pink color, orange color, blue color and light yellow color. Let's start. Brown color. A for aeroplane. A for aeroplane. B for ball. B for ball. C for cat. C for cat. D for dog. D for dog. E for elephant. E for elephant. F for fish. F for fish. G for goat. G for goat. Blue color. H for hand. H for hand. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. J for jug. J for jug. K for kite. K for kite. L for lion. L for lion. M for monkey. M for monkey. N for nose. N for nose. Purple color. O for owl. O for owl. P for piano. P for piano. Q for queen. Q for queen. R for ring. R for ring. S for star. S for star. T for tomato. T for tomato. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. Blue color. V for village. V for village. W for watermelon. W for watermelon. X for xylophone. X for xylophone. Y for yak. Y for yak. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. And at last, a cute smiley for happy kids. So kids, what we learn today? We learn brown color, green color, purple color, blue color and yellow color. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z. Now I know my ABC. So kids, hope you like my video. So please don't forget like, share and subscribe my channel. We will see you in next video. Till then, bye.